Alright guys, so I just got this electric skateboard and she's about to ride it. Go ahead, what you doing?
I'm trying, I'm scared.
Where you go? You know what? You need to go on high. You know Yumi bites you good when you're sucking on your fingers still. Alright babe, ready? You gotta open. Oh shit, it's already open? Why was it open? Damn, I was trying to lock you out. When you like your pizza just kind of spicy. I need you to be quiet during this whole flight, okay? Don't say a word. Plane's moving. We're in business.
Yeah. Oh, that's London on the track. When that shit back.
We got London on the track. Where these niggas at, man? Where these niggas at? We gon' pull up big bodies with the Rugas in the back. I got Rugas in the max pump, leave a nigga flat. Talking how we spin a block, we gon' leave them where he at. Like, where these niggas at? Ayy, where these niggas at? I'ma pull up in a big body with the
parents don't know that we brought the monkey, so we're gonna surprise them with it. It's gonna be the first time actually seeing it. What's up? How you doing? I'm good, I'm good. Thank you, man, I appreciate that.
Get out of here. You sneak him on there?
Yeah.
Through TSA and yeah, everything.
Well, security knew.
Alright guys, this is my first time at In-N-Out. You're telling me I drove all the way to Texas for this menu?
Literally like burgers, fries, and a milk.
Bro, I'm going back home.
What did you get?
Oh, the menu was so small, I already forgot.
I think you just got a regular cheeseburger.
It was a burger. That's you versus the guy she told you not to worry about. Metal straws. You know what you look like? One of the blind mice from Shrek. That's their language, they're speaking the same language.
Speak a monkey?
So we just recorded this video, guys. Y'all, her feet are bigger than mine. Oh my god. How old are you? 10. You should want your slides? You could take them. I got me some Birkenstocks. Guys, so we just tried these drinks that they were giving away at Target, and it's terrible. You want no money? Be honest.
It was good.
You're lying.
Like you some go-get downstairs?
Sure. I'm gonna throw this away there. Are these good though?
Everybody seems to like it.
Alright, cool, because whatever she gave me over there was.
Worthing. How you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it purchase, you deserve it. Niggas in your DM, they be Thursday.